can see the thumbnail. Come on, let's get started.
These are my ingredients, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making jerk chicken and rice. So let's cook. I have here 5 chicken thighs, which I'm going to clean and rinse. I removed all of the extra fat. I'm going to clean my hands, and then I'm going to start with my seasoning. I have here garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Tony's Creole, allspice, cumin, garlic herb seasoning, jerk seasoning, dry thyme, brown sugar, black pepper, and red crushed peppers. I want to make sure I get under the skin and massage it really well. I'm using my cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to drizzle the olive oil. I just want to cover the bottom of the skillet. Then I'm going to add the chicken thighs and let them brown on each side for 5 minutes. This recipe will be in the description below. My kitchen is smelling so good. In the same oil, I'm adding onions, yellow and red sweet peppers, and chopped carrots. I'm going to let it saute for about 5 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 stalks of green onions. I'm adding 1 cup of jasmine rice. I'm going to sprinkle some jerk seasoning. You can also use any kind of jerk seasoning. I also prepared my chicken broth with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon to 1 cup of water, and I'm adding 1 more cup of water. This meal is going to be so tasty, so delicious. I hope you guys can try this recipe. I have my oven at 350, and I'm going to bake this for about 45 minutes. I'm going to cover it up with aluminum foil and add a top on top of it. This will help seal in the moisture. This will help keep my chicken tender and my rice moist. I let it cook for exactly 45 minutes, and now it's done. It looks and smells delicious. And if you are new here and you find this helpful, do like and subscribe. And in doing this, it helps my channel to grow. Now it's time to taste it. The chicken is so tender, and the rice is so moist. I hope you can try this recipe and share it with your family or friends. Yes, it's very good. It's very tender, and the rice is very moist. And all the flavors combined, it is very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.